All right, we have another craft kit ready for you. And since next month is Easter, we thought we could do a little Easter chick. So in your kit, you're going to get a yellow piece of paper, a white piece of paper, a really small piece of orange paper, some googly eyes, and some feathers. This is what we're going to use to make our Easter chick. So to start with, you're going to need a pen or pencil or crayons, some scissors, and some glue. First step, you're going to trace your hand. And I've already done this, but you'll take a pencil on the yellow paper and you'll trace your hand like this. And then you'll cut out your hand. So it's going to end up looking a little bit like this. And then I took and I glued the feathers on the back of the hand. Next step is going to be, well, actually you should probably take your orange piece of paper and cut it down into a beak, whatever size you like. There's that. So then we're going to take the glue, we're going to glue the eyes right around here. I'm trying to do this upside down. I'm going to turn this around for a second. I'm going to glue the eyes on. And I'm going to glue the beak on as well. This will be our chicken. So now he's going to look a little bit like that, just so it has a face there. Then you're going to take your marker. Doesn't matter what color that you like. We're going to draw some eyebrows on our chicken. And we're going to put a little message right down here. We're going to put Happy Easter. Now that is not all, because now we're going to make the egg. So you're going to take your piece of white paper and you're going to fold it in half like this. And then from the bottom, you're going to cut up and kind of around in sort of an egg shape, but leaving a little bit of fold there so you can fold up and down. Now, because we want our chick coming out of the egg, we're going to cut like it's a broken egg just a little bit. So it looks like that. Now we're going to open that up. And don't worry if you don't get the fold right. You can always just glue along the edge or the bottom if you get two different pieces. Then we're going to put our chick right in the egg like this. And we're going to glue it down. So now you have a chick peeking out of his broken eggshell. And when you open it, he says Happy Easter. There we go, get it straight. Just like that. Happy Easter. These kits are ready to go, so come and get one.